In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make your first $100 as a complete beginner. For most people, making that first $100 is the most exciting thing that can happen with their online business. So I'm going to share with you the best websites that you can use starting today to make your first $100 online. My name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger, and on this channel, I share tutorials related to making money online, blogging, and traffic generation. Click that subscribe button just below this video to make sure that you never miss my future tutorials. Alright, now let's get into it. Alright, so the first website where you can easily make that first $100 online is Upwork.com. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I think of Upwork and how you can make the money. So Upwork is a website where you can register as a freelancer and then you can sell your skills for good money to other people who need your skills. So I'm here on the Upwork website. You can see that it allows those who need freelancers to come here and to search for freelancers around different categories. And if I'm just gonna scroll down here, you'll see that here are the top skills that are in sort of highest demand right now on Upwork.com. You can also sell other skills, but these are the top skills at the moment. And probably some of the easiest things that you can do are writing. Okay, so it says here content writer, copywriter, just writer, technical writer. They are some of the top skills. And guys, you can make a lot of money as a writer. Let me show you something. For example, I had some writing jobs that I outsourced in August and September, and you can see here that these was my weekly spending, so 75, 150. And I was, at the time, I was paying $75 for one article, and that one article was 1,000 words, all right? So I paid $75 for a 1,000-word article. It was fairly high quality, but to write 1,000 words will not take longer than half a day, okay? So if you can write in English, and if you can do good writing in English, you can easily make over $100 a day just as a writer on Upwork. Here is proof because I have paid that myself. I have actually paid, on some occasions, I've paid $150 per 1,000 words for good high quality content. So how do you actually make that money? Well, you would need to come to this website, you would need to register as a contractor, and then you would need to create a profile. And you can, like I said, you can do a lot of different things. There are tons and tons of opportunities. Seriously, there are opportunities as social media managers, opportunities as, there are lots of technical jobs here, web designer, developer, and so on. But I would go with writing. So register as a content writer or as a writer or as a technical writer, create a profile, find some other profiles in that niche that look good, and you will then be able to apply for jobs, and you will then be able to get the contracts and start making the money. As you can see here, I've just done a quick search for blog writer, which is how I would normally, if I want to hire someone to write content for me, I would just come here and type in blog writer, and then you'll be able to scroll all the different profiles. You can see how much people make: 38 an hour, 75 an hour, 62 per hour. So once you build up a couple of jobs, and once you've got a little bit of reputation, you can easily make really, really good money as a writer on Upwork. You can see that this person, Nicola, has earned over 100,000. That's the recorded earnings here. A lot of other people have earned $3,000, $7,000, $100,000, $2,000, $20,000, and so on. So there is absolutely no reason why you also cannot do that. So what I would do is I would just reverse engineer their listings. So have a look at how they've created their profiles, take a look at it, and then make your profile look very similar to how the profile of the top writers is. Then apply for a couple of jobs, do maybe 5 or 10 jobs at a very good rate, so just sort of almost for free, maybe charge $10, $20 per article. Once you've got that resume and once you've got the history of your work history on this website, then you will be able to charge more because you'll get the job success rate and you'll get the history and the reputation. It's kind of like the eBay system. Cool, so hopefully this helps you out, and now let's move on to the next website. The second website where you can easily make over $100 a day from is cashsuperstar.com. This is a pay per lead affiliate program. So just in case you are a bit new to this and you're not sure what pay per lead affiliate program is, it's a program that will pay you $2 commission for every free lead that you send to them. So once you join, you will basically get a link wherever you share it. Maybe it's on Facebook, on Twitter, on your website, in your emails. As long as someone clicks on it, it will open up a page that looks like this. Okay, so it says now literally anyone can quickly start making money online, easy step-by-step income system. So if someone comes to this page via your link and enters their name and email and clicks get instant access, you will earn $2 for that lead, because that will generate a lead for James Jordan, the person who runs this cashsuperstar.com program, and you will get paid a $2 commission. So if you send 50 leads in a day, okay, just by sharing your link everywhere, you can make $100 a day. Obviously, you don't have to share, you don't have to get 50 leads a day. You can just start out a lot slower. How do you actually get the traffic to this special link that you will get after you join? Well, there are lots of different ways. A lot of people share this on Facebook, in Facebook groups. A lot of people have got social media followings. You can literally do this anywhere. As long as you get the traffic and they click and they register, you will get paid that $2 commission. This is a very reputable program. I promoted it myself before. It has been running for several years now, at least 4 or 5 years that I've known this program for. So I highly recommend that you check this out if you're interested in making easy $2 commissions for every lead that you send. You don't have to, nobody has to buy anything, that's the beauty of it. You just get paid as soon as they click on your link and they leave their name and email. You make that $2. Easy, as easy as that. All right, so let's move on to website number 3. All right, so the third website where you can easily make your first $100 is Kindle. And that's Amazon Kindle. As you can see, I've actually previously published several books on Kindle. So this is one of them, List Building for Newbies. I published that under my real name in 2014. You can see here, July 12, 2014. I've actually made several hundred sales of this. I've published several books under other pen names as well. But that just goes to show you that pretty much anyone, even me, like with no experience in any kind of writing, can be a Kindle author. Now, Kindle marketplace is huge, guys. I mean, there are Kindle ebooks in so many different categories, and your books don't have to be long. As you can see, mine was only 29 pages at the time. So it's very, very short. So what you can do is you can come to Kindle ebooks directory and just check the category in which you think you can create a 30-page book, all right? It can be 30, 50, 100 pages, whatever you think is right. Just take a look at what kind of information you think you can write about. So for example, perhaps some of the easier kind of books to write would be, if you are into writing, I know a lot of people out there can write science fiction and fantasy, okay? Self-help is also a very good category to write about, and business and money is pretty good in general as well. Crafts, hobbies, and home, a lot of people can write about that. It's very easy to make sales on Kindle. It's kind of easy to think, well, nobody's going to buy my books, but if you think about it, I was selling my Kindle book for just that price, so just the minimal price. If it's 99 cents, if it's $1.99, a lot of people will just buy it if they think that it looks good, because people buy based on the cover, right? So if you've got the right cover on your book, then it's very easy to make sales. So as you can see here, there are cookbooks, there is just so many different things, how dogs love us. So you can find a book or several books that sound like something that you can produce as well. Just get it written, get it done, make it 30, 50, 100 pages, and then just sell it very cheaply. And it is quite easy to make sales because, like I said, barrier to entry is low. The market is so big. There are probably hundreds of millions of people around the world reading Kindle books. So it's quite easy to make the money. I just put together a 29-page book, literally listed it on Kindle back in 2014 when I was sort of just, I was still working a full-time job, and I still managed to get hundreds of sales. So it's As easy as that. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Let's move on to the next website. So one more website where you can easily make your first $100 and you can eventually scale to well over $100 a day is called Jvzoo. So it's jvzoo.com. So this is an online marketplace that has information courses and software in several different niches, most of it in the business and in the internet marketing space. And my personal results with Jvzoo have been amazing. So if I have a look at my all-time commissions and I click refresh, you'll see that I've actually made $146,000 on Jvzoo just as an affiliate. So that's my commissions that I have earned. I've also made a lot more money on Jvzoo as a vendor selling my own products as well. But just as an affiliate, even without having any of my own products, I've made well into 6 figures in commissions on Jvzoo. So how does this work? Well, basically as an affiliate, what you can do is you can register on Jvzoo and then you can look for products to promote. So you go affiliates, find products, and then you will be presented with a list of various products that you can promote. So for each of the products, you get a special affiliate link. So for example, if you wanted to promote some of these top products here, like Explaindio, what you would do is you would request approval. And after you are approved to promote this product, okay, you will get a special link. So you will need to read the terms and conditions. You will need to request approval here. And you will get a special link through which you can promote this product. So you can see your affiliate request has been approved. So then it says your status, get links. Okay, so if I click get links, it will give me a special link. And then I can promote this product through this link. Once again, I can share it in my emails. I can share it on my website. I can share it on YouTube, pretty much anywhere I want. And as soon as someone clicks on that affiliate link, they will be taken to the sales page of the product. And if they buy this product, then I will get paid a commission. That's how I've made all of this commission here, by sharing that link in various places, like on YouTube, on my website, in my emails, and so forth. And I have a detailed tutorial about how to make money on Jvzoo that you can check. There should be a link somewhere here. There should be a card. If not, then check the description below this video. There is a detailed tutorial that I made a couple of months ago now, sharing all of the strategies for how to make money on Jvzoo, so you can check it out in more detail. But here in this video, I just wanted to mention it quickly as one of the websites where you can easily make your first $100 or more. Thanks so much for watching the video. Now you know how you can make your first $100 online, even as a complete beginner. If you like this video, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Give me a quick thumbs up on this video as well. Also, make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video. Click the little bell notification icon to make sure that you never miss my future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next video.